Hey guys, welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm logged into my IAA account and I'm looking at this Mercedes-Benz SLK. It is now for sale for $2,450 in 11 minutes. You will not be able to buy it for $2,450 because the bid is going to close for it, and then you'll actually be able to bid live at the auction. And I just want to show you guys this as a choice. So let's take a look at this car. It is of course in California. You see, this is a very nice car. This is an SLK 280. I really like these type of cars. It looks really awesome. I actually would definitely love to own like one of these. But this is not why I'm showing it to you guys. I'm going to show you that you could actually make lots of money by finding deals like this. Because this same car you could actually sell for $7,000 according to Kelley Blue Book. And I found a listing for it for $15,000 with 28,000 miles. Look at the beautiful interior on this. Let's just check it out. It does have very slight type of damage. This is all the damage that you're gonna see. So this door is a little bit scratched. Looks like there's a little dent over here, but I think if you remove the outside, like the inside, shroud and the plastics and stuff, you could actually push this out very nicely, and then just basically redo some of this work here and possibly repaint it. you know that would probably be it. And this rim, I could see it's kind of damaged right here, so it would need a new rim. But this does look like an aftermarket rim. I could be wrong. They also look like AMG rims. um, so this is an SLK 280, which is the cheapest SLK that you could buy. This roof would actually fold inside, and the price that they want for is $2,450. So I could basically pre-bid, which nobody pre-bid for some reason, or I could buy now. And I see this kind of deals all the time, guys. Of course, I don't have money for every single deal that I see. I am thinking about becoming a car dealer and just looking for this type of deals and just grabbing them up. Now this is in California. This is a little ways away, but if this was closer, I definitely would consider this, because if I get this in California, I would need to basically drive this car back and be in, with the condition that it is, like with the rim and stuff. I really don't know how far I'm going to make it with the rim being like that. But it doesn't seem like it's too big of a trouble. And I'm actually thinking there's probably a good chance that I could go to California, pick this car up, go to DMV in California, go ahead and just get my title for it, and probably just list it local for pennies on the dollar and see if somebody's just going to pick it up local. Should maybe even list it for like $5,000, which would be like very, very cheap. And yeah, try to sell it. So it does have a key. It is a run and drive type of car. So here's all the stuff for it, the VIN and stuff like that. I will be monitoring to see how much this car is actually going to sell for. It does have a 6-cylinder engine, which would be like the most economical engine. So if somebody's looking for economy, like not too much power, this would be really perfect. Unless you're really taking it to the track anyway, it doesn't really matter. But it's got really low mileage to see there. I definitely want to, get this. So let me show you what it's actually worth on Kelley Blue Book now. And also, let's look it up on Car Gurus. 2006 Mercedes SLS 280. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Now, let's see, that's Carfax. So here's a Carfax. I'm just gonna look it up really quick. It's a beautiful looking car. So look, great value, 7,995. You could clearly see right here. So I'm pretty sure if you put it up for 5, even in California, I wouldn't even have to drive it back or nothing. Just basically sell it in California and let somebody else enjoy the car. Here's another one, $7,895, $8,900. And it's actually showing that it's a really good value. Look, 7,299, 13,995, 15,500. This was the one that I was talking about. So it shows that it's 600 above Carfax value. Here's one for 11,000. Here's one for 7,742, 13,777. And by the way, you see how this roof is down? Well, actually all of them do that. This is a metal foldable roof, folds right inside of the trunk. Here's 13,995, 6,995, 10,000, 9,000, 7, 10, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, let's see, 9. And I know I'm missing some stuff, but let's see what is the cheapest one, for sale. Because that's basically the competition, technically. So I really don't see any cheap ones. I think this is the same cars that are repeating, I believe. Let's see. I'm going to put my zip code in. See what that's going to do. But guys, one of the things that I'm thinking about doing is basically just finding deals and grabbing them up. Now, take a look at this. This is a good example. This 2006 SLK 280, which is listed for $7,495, has 128,000 miles. Okay, and it's listed for $7,495. Now check this out. I could get this thing right now, which is actually, it's very close to expiring, for $2,450. And basically I could list it for $7,495 and make $5,000 on the deal right there on the spot. Of course, if I list it for less, I'll just make a few $1,000s less, but either way, it is a money maker, plus you could enjoy it while you sell it. So this is some of the things that I'm thinking about doing, guys, is just basically picking up cars that I like, get them for a very good price, drive them, enjoy them, and list it. And whenever they sell for, the price that I want to get, or slightly below, go ahead and sell it and find the next deal, But at this point, I really got to sell some of the cars that I do own, and then I'm going to be buying, some more deals. But there you go. That's a deal. Gonna go here for now. I want to show you, first of all, I looked up the value of this car, and I put good value, not excellent, just good value. And the good value of this car would be $7,755. That's the approximate private party value, or between $6,780 to $8,729. It's got very light door damage. I will log in again and I'll actually show to you guys what's going on.